Okay. Yeah, take a look at it. Take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Precious Fingers. If this is your first time coming across my video, please hit that subscribe button for me down there. I need it. I need it. And also turn on the notification bell. That way whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, you already know I appreciate you guys from my heart. Today guys, I'm gonna be making my hair. I'm gonna be creating a crochet FAUX lock. Yes guys, join me, let's do this together, okay? Yay. So guys, let me introduce you to what I'll be using to create the style, okay? I'll be using the Bobbi FAUX LOCS. Yeah, these are 8 inches. I'm gonna be combining it with 18 inches so I can get it 26 inches. Not too long, but long. Okay guys, and I'm gonna be using the Kema spring twist to wrap it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, to wrap it. I can't wait. I'm so excited to want to do this, guys. I know you can tell. Okay guys, let's get right into it. So guys, we're starting now by putting our crochet hair underneath the braids like how you do your regular crochet. Exactly. Yeah, you put in your crochet hair underneath the braids, secure it tight, then you start to wrap it. Very simple, guys. Trust me, you can do it. I think the only difference here is just the wrapping and how you kind of distress it. That's just the difference. So now, guys, I'm putting in the spring twist hair underneath the braids so it doesn't come loose. So now we're gonna make one part longer than the other, then we start to wrap. I usually just wrap it 3 times to secure the roots before I start moving upwards. So by distressing it, I kind of put my fingers in between as I wrap, so it kind of gives it a bumpy look. So at this point, guys, I'm going to start wrapping upwards. You can choose to use a glue, but I just choose to secure it by wrapping upwards. Yeah, then you roll it together. That's it, guys. It's that simple. So I'm gonna go again with you guys on how to do it. Like I said, I wrap it 3 times on the roots to secure it tight. Then after which I just move upwards while I wrap it. So if you want to distress it, it's not difficult. You just put your hands in between and wrap through it. Then to secure it, you can wrap upwards or you use a glue to secure it. That's it, guys. So guys, I've been able to do some of it behind cameras, as you can see. Not so perfect, but it's okay. So guys, I have just 4 left, so let's do this together. So guys, because it's been more than a day and I haven't made this one, so the root isn't looking too okay for me, so I'm gonna put in some jam. join in the remaining ones. So I'll take one of it like this, and this is the 8 inches. I'll open it like this, put one of it inside, then tie it twice, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna roll this one up, then roll this one down. Then it's gonna be like this. Going nowhere. So guys, I'll do the rest behind the camera and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm done finally. Ooh, like it's so beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? Yeah, take a look at this. Take a look. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you guys for my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back, and till we meet in my next video. Until then, bye.